How to check logged in devices on Steam and log out from all devices. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check logged in devices on Steam and log out from all devices. So let's dive in. So you can use your browser if you want and search for Steam over here, or you can use the Steam app if you have it on your PC. You just head over to your Steam app by double clicking it and it's going to open the Steam app. And then you have to click your profile name over here on the top right corner and click account details, or you can go to the browser and here you have to click this profile name over here and click account details again. And then you have to scroll through and find authorized devices over here, and then you have to scroll through and here are all the devices that you're logged in on, the devices on Steam. And now to log out all the devices you have to click remove all credentials, and like so on the Steam app you have to click this authorized devices over here, and then you have to scroll through and here you have this remove all credentials option. And once you click remove all credentials, it's going to remove and log you out of all the devices that you're logged into on Steam. And that's how you do it.